Good morning, my dear students. My name is E. Govardhan, lecturer in chemistry, branch, general section, institution, Government Polytechnic, Adepalli. Your semester is second semester. Our dealing subject is engineering chemistry and environmental studies too. Our subject code is 18 common 204. Topic corrosion. Duration 50 minutes. Subtopic understand the process of rusting of iron. And also mechanism means which reactions involved in the rusting of iron. I used teaching aids, PPTs, animations and also diagrams. Now let us discuss how the reactions involved in the rusting of iron and also what is the some what variation between corrosion and also rusting of iron. Okay, let us start one by one. See here, on completion of this topic, you will able to know understand the process of rusting of iron and also mechanism which is involving in the rusting of iron. Okay, so I'm opening next slide. See here, what is corrosion? Already to discuss rusting of iron, first of all you should know some important basic points. So that's why I have written here recap. So what is corrosion? So already you know, slow and gradual disintegration of the metal by the action of environment is called corrosion. Okay, already you know. Next question: what type of galvanic cell is formed between two metals? So composition cell formation takes place already you know. What is trace cell? So trace cell means same cell formation takes place in same metal between traced area and also untraced area. That is called trace cell. If you know corrosion definition and also composition cell and trace cell, we can understand some important points based on this. See here, in fourth slide, we should discuss some important points regarding metals. See here, we are using different metals like copper, silver, gold, tin, zinc in our daily life. Okay, so obviously we use copper, silver, and also gold, tin, zinc in our daily life. So why we are using iron? Iron is a hard metal widely used and more abundant in nature. Iron we are using why? Because iron is a more abundant and also easily available with low cost and also it is a hard metal. That's why we are using. So iron can be molded into sheets, rods, wires, etc. That's why we are using iron. Right? Iron is a part of our daily life. So part of simply we can say part of our life. Why? Because of its strength, it is widely used in bridges, rails, machinery parts, factories, etc. That's why iron is huge importance. That's why we should know how the iron is wasting during this rusting of iron. That's why we should discuss other important other importance of the iron, right? So before discussing of iron, first we should know what is the ore, what is the metallurgy, what is the difference between the metallurgy and also corrosion. If you understand very well, you can understand rusting of iron very easily. See here, different metals are available in nature as ores. Already we discussed in metallurgy what is the ore. Or means it is a earthly associated impurities with combined with metal, that is called ore. So different metals are available in nature as ores. Metals are extracted from their ores called metallurgy. Already you know this definition. Already we completed the chapter metallurgy also. So metals are extracted from their ores called metallurgy. Metals are considered as excited state and ores in ground state. So Metals are considered as excited state, and also ores in ground state, right? So metals have tendency to revert back to their original state. Okay. So if you prepare one metal from the ore, after several years or several months, that metal try to get that original position, that means native state in the form of ores. That's why, therefore, destruction of metal starts at surface of metal by nature to form. Right? So metal getting to trying to get original position. That's why destruction of metal starts at surface of metal by nature to form. Okay. So we are in fifth slide. So note down these points. Okay. Next, see here, metal in corrosion it is converting as a metallic compound and also releasing energy. This metallic compound converting as a metal in metallurgy by the reduction reaction. So simply we can say metal is it is high state of energy. Metallic compound is a state of lower energy. That's why if in our daily life we have metal in state of higher energy, now it is converting as a metallic compound. That means it is a corrosion. Corrosion means rusting. Corrosion means oxidation, right? So that's why these two processes, corrosion and also metallurgy, these two processes are reversible process each other. So note down this diagram. Okay, here in seventh slide, see here, all metals undergo corrosion when they are exposed to oxygen in air. So already you know all metals undergo corrosion when they are exposed to oxygen in air. So the metals react with oxygen which is present in environment. They are converting to somewhat different compound that is called corrosion. So especially we are discussing of iron. So iron is severely affected by atmospheric oxygen. So iron is severely affected by atmospheric oxygen, right? So the heaviest corrosion of iron is called rusting of iron. So what is the definition for the rusting of iron? The heaviest corrosion of iron is called rusting of iron. Simply we can say slow and gradual disintegration of the this metal iron by the action of environment is called rusting of iron. So reduced layer formation takes place. When exposed to air, a reduced layer is formed, that is Fe3O4 on surface of that iron. So that is rusting of iron mechanism. So another important point, 20% of produced iron in the nation is wasted by this corrosion, means rusting. So to prevent that rusting, we should know how the rusting of iron takes place. Right? Note down these points. Okay. See here another continuation. Corrosion is a slow process, but rusting of iron takes place quickly. So that is the major difference. Corrosion is a slow process. Rusting of iron takes place very quickly. The rust, iron oxide develops cracks on the metal. If the rusting takes place, why? What is the problem in the metal? So if the rust continuously going in that metal, that iron oxide develops cracks on the metal. So that means it decreases strength of that metal. So if the iron cracks, it is losing its strength and also the oxide layer bulges. Okay, note down these points. Right. See here, metal oxide layer is formed during corrosion. Metal oxide layer is formed during corrosion. If the layer thickness is less than 300 angstrom, it is as a film. If the thickness is greater than 300 angstrom, it is a scale. The oxide layer diffused more and the metal appears bulged. So alkali metals are readily oxidize. Why? Because they have highly electropositive. That's why alkali metals readily oxidize. Note down these points. These are the points useful to understand rusting of iron. Very easiest way to understand the mechanism of rusting of iron. These points are very important. Next, to see here, if the volume of oxide is less than volume of metal, oxide layer is non-protective layer. Example: sodium, potassium, iron. Right. So if the volume of oxide layer is greater than volume of metal, oxide layer is protective layer. Example: aluminium. So suppose if you take aluminium metal, on aluminium oxide layer formation takes place. Now this oxide layer protects this aluminium from the corrosion or rusting. Okay, note down this point. Right. Now necessary conditions for the rusting of iron. It is very very important. Necessary conditions of the rusting of iron. See here, see here necessary conditions. Just wait. Okay. So necessary conditions for the rusting of iron. First one, impure state of the metal. Okay, impure state of the metal. Impurity of the metal increases. Impurity of the metal increases. Rusting of iron also increases. Rusting of iron also increases. So that's why impurity is proportional to rusting. Moisture of atmosphere. So if moisture which is surrounded to the metal increases, if moisture increases, rusting also increases. If moisture increases, rusting also increases. Next one, O2 and CO2 present in the atmosphere. Right. If O2 levels decreases, if O2 levels decreases, rusting increases. If O2 levels decreases, rusting increases. Yeah, O2 which is present in atmosphere. Next, CO2 present in the atmosphere. If CO2 concentration increases in environment, rusting also, rusting of iron also increases. Rusting of iron also increases. Next point, electrolyte present in the atmosphere. The salts which are present in the atmosphere, those are called electrolytes. So electrolytes present in the environment increases. Rusting of iron also increases. Rusting of iron also increases. Next, pH of electrolytes. Right? Already you know electrolytes means NaCl, KCl, NaOH like that. Those are electrolytes. Now pH of electrolytes are pH of medium decreases. pH of medium decreases. Rusting also increases. Rusting also increases. So temperature. Temperature increases. Rusting also increases. Temperature increases. Rusting also increases. So these are the very important necessary conditions for rusting of iron. See here. So impure state of the metal increases, rusting also increases. Moisture of the environment increases, rusting also increases. Next, O2 levels decreases, rusting increases. CO2 levels increases, rusting also increases. Electrolytes present in the atmosphere increases, rusting also increases. pH of electrolytes decreases, rusting increases. Temperature increases. Temperature of the metal and also environment increases, rusting also increases. Note down these points. Okay, completed. These are the necessary conditions for the rusting of iron. Next, to see to understand the rusting of iron, first of all, you should know electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. So now metal left side, right side SRP values. See here. So lithium values minus 3.045, cesium minus 2.99, calcium minus 2.9325 volts, calcium minus 2.76, sodium minus 2.71, magnesium minus 2.375, zinc minus zinc minus 0.76, iron minus 0.41, tin minus 0.14, hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is a standard electrode. SRP is 0. Hydrogen SRP is 0. Copper plus 0.34. Silver plus 0 plus 0.880. O2 plus 1.23. Arum plus 1.42. So this is electrochemical series. So top metals, those are very active. Top metals are active. See here, top metals. They from top to bottom, SRP top to bottom, standard direction potential values increases and also reactivity decreases. Okay, top metals are more active. Top metals more active, bottom metals less active, less active. These are acting as a anodes, acting as anodes. Okay, see these points. So metal SRP values above these metals lithium, cesium, potassium, calcium, more active metals. If you understand this electrochemical series, based on this series, we can understand that what is that rusting of iron. We can understand very well. Okay, note down these values. Okay, have you noted down? Next, on observation of the ECS, SRP SRP of iron that is less than SRP of oxygen. From that values, we can write inert reduction of iron less than inert reduction of O2. See here, iron is minus 0.41 volts, oxygen is plus 1.32. So from this experiment, from this values, we can say oxygen is reduced. Why? Because high SRP means it is reduced. So from this we can understand in a pair of two elements the metal above in the series will be oxidized. Why? Because the metals which are above in the series those are more active. That means they are ready to lose their valence electrons. So the metal below in the series will be reduced. That's why we can say iron is oxidized, oxygen is reduced in rusting of iron. Okay, note down these values. Okay, have you noted out these values? Now, important things rusting in acidic medium. Okay, rusting in acidic medium. So, for balancing equation, I am writing here balancing equation. See here. So, just wait. I take balanced equation 2H2. Right. This is balanced equation. Okay. See, rusting of iron in acidic medium. Explanation: when metals react with acids, corrosion starts. Already know if H plus ions increases in surrounding of that metal, corrosion starting means rusting starts. Rusting takes place. See here, already you know it corrosion, it anode rusting takes place means it anode corrosion takes place. Corrosion means nothing but oxidation. Here in iron, this iron metal converting to iron ion Fe plus 2, releasing 2 electrons. So it is called oxidation. So for balancing purpose, I have written here 2Fe gives rise 2Fe plus 2 plus 4 electrons. So it is called oxidation. Nothing but corrosion. So now these released electrons move to transfer to cathode. At cathode reduction takes place. See here, 4 H plus ions plus 4 electrons gives rise to H2. That is reduction. So here I have written 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise H2. So for balancing purpose we can write 4H plus 4 electrons give 2H2. So final equation, if you two iron molecules react with 4H plus ions, they form two ions of Fe plus 2 plus two molecules of H2. So this is the reduction. But in acidic medium, rusting takes place like this. So from this equation we can say electrons liberated from anode, that means metal, and travel to cathode. Okay. electrons liberating from anode metal and travel to cathode. Displacement of hydrogen takes place. Here, rusting in acidic medium, displacement of hydrogen takes place. Okay, note down this all important reactions and also points. Right? Have you noted down? Next, see here, neutral medium. So, how the rusting takes place in neutral medium? Just wait. See here, already this one completed. Right. Neutral medium. So, neutral medium like H2O, which reaction takes place? See here. Are you able to see? So in neutral medium like H2O, how the rusting of iron takes place? So simply at anode oxidation takes place, simple reaction. Fe gives rise Fe plus 2 electrons, lossing of electrons. It is called oxidation. At cathode, somewhat different. Why? Because here water molecule is there. So 2H2O, two molecules of water which is surrounded by that metal, and also oxygen which is present in environment. These four electrons which are releasing from the iron molecule. So now the two H2O molecules and also one water molecule, four electrons combining, they form four hydroxide ions. That means here oxygen reduction takes place. That's why 4YH minus ion formation takes place. Now these 4YH minus ions react with 2 moles of iron ions. So simply we can write Fe 2 plus 2YH minus gives rise FeYH taken rise rusted. So this is formula of rust starting. So this is reactions of these are reactions of in neutral medium like H2O, rusting of iron. Note down these reactions. Okay. Next, in atmosphere and water, how the reaction takes place here. This is water droplet. Under the water droplet, the iron molecule converting Fe plus 2, that is Fe2O3 dot X2O, rust deposit here. So O2, that is cathode. So anode, Fe gives rise Fe plus 2 electrons. Here, this reaction also we can write O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electrons gives rise 4 OH minus ion. So this is water droplet. Here less oxygen, so rust deposit takes place. So note down this one diagram. Atmosphere which are present in water present in atmosphere. It is enhancing the rust. Okay, see here that reactions I have written here. Okay, see these reactions. When more oxygen is available, further oxidation takes place. That is continuation of the rusting. See here, this H2O. Just wait. Okay, 2H2O, 2H2O plus O2 plus 4 electrons gives rise formation of the 4 OH minus ions. Now these 4 FeOH taken twice molecules reacting with 4 OH minus, it's forming 4 FeOH3 taken twice plus 4 electrons. Finally, gradually it is losing water molecules. Finally, it is losing water molecules. It is converting as a 2Fe OH taken thrice gives rise Fu2O3 dot Xs2O plus 3 minus X H2O. So here X equal to 0 to 3. Now this is the reaction of rusting of iron. So note down. Okay. Now if limited amount of oxygen available, Fe2O3 will form a mixed oxide, that is Fe3O4. So Fe3O4 means Fe3O4 is Fe2O3 plus FeO. So if X is very smaller than Fe3O4, a red powder is formed on iron. You can note down this point. As up to now we discussed corrosion of metals, that means rusting of iron. Next conditions for the rusting of iron. Next to oxide layer as protection and non-protection layer. And also we have discussed mechanism of rusting of iron in different media. See here I have given some questions. First one, in corrosion process, metals are A reduced, B oxidized, C neutralized, D unchanged. So which is the correct answer? Right, in corrosion process, metal oxidized, right? Metal oxidized, which is the correct answer? So B is the correct answer. In corrosion process, metals are oxidized. Okay. See next question. Try to answer it. In corrosion process, oxygen is, so metal is oxidized means oxygen is reduced. So which is the correct answer? So oxygen is reduced. See here, oxidized. This is the wrong answer. Neutralized, wrong answer. D none. This is also wrong answer. Which is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. See next question. In oxidation process, electrons are A lost, B gained, C. No chain. D. Both A and B. Which is the correct answer? In oxidation process, electrons are lost by that metal. So which is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Okay. Next, fourth question. Corrosion is A. Chemical chain. B. Physical chain. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. None of the above. Which is the correct answer? Corrosion is it is a chemical chain, electrochemical reaction, right? So that's why it is a chemical chain. So fourth question is chemical chain answer. Next question. See here. Fifth question. Just wait. Just wait. This is the fifth question. See here. Oxidation state of iron in elemental state. So which is the correct answer? Elemental state oxidation state of iron is 0. So D is the answer. Next question. This is the sixth question. It's a mistake. The change in Fe plus 2 gives rise Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron is, it is nothing but lossing of electron. So lossing of electron means oxidation. So for sixth question answer is B for quiz. And also frequently asked questions. What is rusting of iron? State the conditions necessary for the rusting of iron. And also another questions on this topic. Write the mechanism of rusting of iron, and also what are the chemical reactions involved in rusting of iron. So this is rusting of iron and also its mechanism. This is very important. As an engineering student, if you know the mechanism of the rusting of iron, you can prevent that rusting of iron by using another preventing processes. So this is our topic. Thank you.